The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello everybody, welcome to Unbox the Podcast.
Hi!
Hello. Magkahi ka din. Hello. Ayan, as you guys can see, medyo absent si partner Paolo.
Wala si Paolo kasi pupuntang France.
Diba? So nandun siya ngayon sa Eiffel Tower.
Yes. Ikain mo na lang kami dyan.
Oo nga. Okay, so joining us today, of course, I'm Carl Salora. We have a very special guest dun sa pinakaliwa. That's Randall Chongson. He's a personal finance guru here in the Philippines, and of course si Monch.
Second time to...
Yeah, actually second time mo na to, no?
Yes, second time.
So second time mo na kami pinapagalitan sa show.
Hindi nga kami, may impact na eh.
At least nagmumura na yung mga pinapakita namin, di ba? Ay, sorry.
Naging mas practical na.
Hindi na sobrang mahal. So anyway, for today, we have a pretty packed show. And of course, I know a lot of the viewers that we have right now are watching because they're excited to see kung ano bang bagong ipapakita na.
Oo, lalo na Cherry Mobile.
Yan,
yung hashtag namin, guys, is Unbox Cherry Mobile.
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Oo, yan.
So
diba?
there.
Ang ganda, oh. Diba? So, may laman to.
So mamaya papakita natin yan.
Mamaya pa natin papakita to. Pwede pa natin lagay yung hashtag dun sa baba. Ayan, no? So, if you guys have any comments, suggestions, or gusto nilang we'll read it out loud. Basta gamitin nyo lang yung hashtag na Unbox Cherry Mobile. Okay, game. Start tayo. So, before we get to the gadgets, meron tayong ang ating Unbox CSR.
So,
May CSR.
So, alam nyo guys, ang number one problem na maraming kabataan ngayon, kahit kami, medyo may edad na, ay hindi kami marunong kumapang pera.
Yes.
Diba? Parang pag pumapasok yung sweldo, nawawala at matatapos na lang yung buwan, di mo lang sa pumunta, may utang ka pa.
Kala you're not talking from experience.
Hindi to, the pain. Diba? So, that's nakakaliw eh. Habang lumalaki sweldo mo,
Exactly.
mas maliit yung ipon.
Hindi, kasi pag lumalaki yung sweldo, usually yung tendency mo is to buy...
To spend lifestyle.
To spend more din eh.
So suddenly, dati, sabihin natin, kontento ka na kay Cherry Mobile tsaka Star Mobile. Tumaas sweldo mo, biglang
upgrade ka rin.
Samsung ka.
Samsung ka na, HTC ka na.
Diba? Tapos nabili mo na yung iPhone 5, bibili mo pa rin yung iPhone 6, tsaka yung 7, hindi ka na makontento. Yun from experience. Okay, so tonight we have on the show again, Randall, who'll be sharing with us. You have an event on personal finance.
Yeah, on June 22. It's called the Investment Conference, ICON. ICON 2013.
Yeah, we hear about that. Yes.
Yeah, investment conference. Actually, I call it the no-nonsense investment conference.
This is anong date ulit?
June 22 at the SMX.
So, June 22 sa SMX.
SMX.
So, baka pwede kwentuhan mo sila tungkol saan ba yung...
Actually, kasi ngayon, ang matunog ngayon, a lot of people are now wondering, because you've seen the news that the economy is growing. Actually, there's a lot of money going around. So, maraming taong kumikita. A lot of people are getting to the stock market, investing in all these things. Pero, ang kinukosyon namin, before you go into all of these things, kailangan spend enough time to pag-aralan nyo yung mga paano. Kasi you can lose money, you can make money, and all these things. There are processes na kailangan mo daan, and steps na kailangan mo daanan before you actually partake of your money.
So, hindi pwede biglang tatapon mo na ng pera.
Oo, kasi alam mo, diba, ang investment kasi ano yan eh, tinatawag mo risk-return relationship. Yeah. So, risk, yung return na kinikita ng pera mo will always be a function of the risk that you take. So much so na pag mataas ang risk, mataas ang return. Pag mataas ang return, mataas ang risk. Yan yung nagiging problem mo. So a lot of people are attracted because in the last 3 years, per se, the stock market has been very, very, very good. In fact, ito pinagmamayabang natin, yung stock market is probably one of the 3 best performing stock markets in the world. In the world. In the last quarter, the Philippines is one of the 3 best performing economies also. So ang dami niyang mga points. So a lot of people na nahihikayat. People are getting into these things without really understanding what they're getting into. First time kumita, tapos dangerous kasi. Kunyari kumita ako, tapos in-invest ko, tapos nalugi, automatically negative na yung, ano ba to? Ayoko na mag-invest, sayang lang pala to. So again, that's what prudence dictates, no? Pag-aralan mo muna, understand there are rules that you have to follow, how to distribute your funds, and paano natin gagawin. Yeah.
Okay, may
So,
term.
yung pag-uusapan doon.
Yun, pag-usapan and more, siyempre. More details. Kasi the Icon, apat na speakers yan. We're gonna talk about the 4 speakers. In fact, 5. I'm the 5th. Kasi ang ginawa ko is I convene. Kaya nga,
Kaya siya conference.
kaya nga, Randall Johnson's Icon. Hindi ko naman, gano'n. So, pag nakita mo yung poster with Carlo,
Pwede ba, ayaw lumabas eh. So,
Ayan,
pwede ba iabot nyo na lang yan?
So,
By the way, this is a nice gadget which we will review later.
Later.
Pwede ba i-zoom in yung camera? Ay, green ba?
Ay,
Ay, ang galing! Lumulusot to!
Grabe, no?
lulusot.
Kakaiba.
Basta, pwede ba pa-zoom in lang para lang makita natin? Tignan natin kung lalabas yung mukha ni Alora kasi green. Zoom. Nakuryente yung camera
Nakuryente
man.
pa eh. Okay, kaya ba? Okay, they're trying.
Pero pwede na ipuntahan yan sa
Zoom in.
www.randalljohnson.com.
Okay, so pwede nyo rin puntahan yon habang sinusubukan namin. Is it working? Is it working? And success!
Yes!
Yun.
There.
Uy, yun.
Kaya nawala yung green. Anyhow.
Green talaga yung background niyan. Hindi lang nila makita
hindi lang
kasi
Oo.
meron
Green
tayong special
screen.
effects.
Yes.
Okay, so baka pwede, Randall, kwento mo kung sino yung start tayo sa pinaka...
Sige.
This guy, sino yan?
Yan. Sino ba yung tinuturo mo?
Ito.
Chinky.
Ayan, si Efren Cruz.
Hindi, kabila.
Efren Cruz, no? In fact, I'm so proud that they have pumayag siya maging part. Si Efren Cruz is probably one of the most respected persons in the area of investment planning. And,
Ano pag-usapan niya?
investment planning. Fund management, investment planning. Kasi siya yung nagtuturo ng balance how to do it properly, ano yung mga options na pwede mong gawin.
Okay, so ito
The
naman.
next one, ayan, si Marvin Guillermo, siguro, I'm proud to say, is probably one of the hottest guys
Hottest guys.
in the stock market. In terms of the stock market.
Tawa ko dun
Kasi siya ngayon, a lot of people really, grabe, it's even hard to enroll in his programs. Kasi nga laging puno. No? So talk about the stock. Kasi matunog ang stock market
Ngayon.
Swear that, Marvin is an IT guy. An IT guy works for HP as an IT engineer.
Oh, so ibig sabihin yan, friends, may pag-asa pa tayo.
And then na-realize niya, sabi niya, ang love niya talaga is investing in finance. Quit the job.
Doon siya.
And before he turned 25, 26, he's already a certified multimillionaire.
Wow naman.
Tigilan natin itong podcast na to. Tama na to, panakuhan na to.
So
Mag-resign na tayong lahat, Alora, sa ginagawa natin.
Kaya nga, tutuwa kami kay Marvin. Si Marvin actually inaanak ko yan. So, ayun, so 28, 29 today. Talagang people really after what he's doing. Pero galing, tinuturo niya yung stock market in a way that you will, for the first time, when you hear him, okay, now I get. Kasi when you read it, even sabi ko, even if I teach it, hindi ganun ka-fluid, but when he does it, I get it. So that's Marvin.
Okay,
And
next.
then, the next is Dennis C. Si Dennis, no, na-feature niya na, no, he's the editor-in-chief of Act Like a Man. He's one of the most, siguro, alam mo, one of these days, magugulat ako, award-winning blog na yung Act Like a Man that org. One of those things that has been read even internationally. And he published a book called Rich for Life. Tuturo ni Dennis about balance, about...
Oy, naging green.
Paano yan?
Ginoff yung effect sa likod.
Okay.
Ayun pala yun. So, anong gagawin? Si Dennis is gonna talk about stewardship and, there are more important things. But again,
Money
money is
values.
important, money values.
Okay, ito familiar
And
tong mukhang to eh.
lastly, siguro, probably yan yung superstar ng event, si Chinky Tan. Award-winning, literally award-winning Golden Dove winner, radio program.
Host ng Chink Positive.
Chink Positive.
Yeah, he used to be my writer or columnist before for Now Magazine.
for
yes.
Manual.
Wow.
Oh, okay. So si Chinky, he wrote 4 best-selling author books and he's probably best-selling books.
Till Death Do Us Part.
Till Death Do Us Apart, Rich God Poor God, even for direct marketing and kumbaga, yan ang tunay na icon for those things. Let's talk about entrepreneurship. Ang di alam ng maraming tao, because Chinky is a very popular motivational speaker, but di alam ng people, that guy is really a great entrepreneur.
Okay.
So you could talk about. And of course, I'll start it, tie it up, and eventually fix it. And
Aliw to. Sorry Dalawa screen niya. Mamaya papakita namin to
later.
Dalawa screen eh. Okay, balik natin kay Eason. Eason, by the way, will join us in a bit.
Yeah, I just came from Taiwan.
From Computex.
From Computex.
So, magkano? Sabihin natin, gusto nila mag-invest at mag-attend.
Okay, 3 prices yan. Yung VIP, yung front is 2,800. Tapos may gold price, which is 1,800. And there's a student price, 500.
So, pag student ka, 500 lang ka.
Oo, para point mo, kasi actually, it's the same conference. Kaya lang, syempre, ma-afford mo. Tapos, just for Unbox viewers, in the next maybe 2 to 3 days, I will, pwede sila mag-buy one, take one for the VIPs. Sabihin nyo lang, when you go to the website and everything, sabihin nyo lang, listener of Unbox. Pwede natin gawin.
Buy one, take one, right?
Yeah.
Pero only for the VIP.
Only for the VIP. Kasi cheap
Akala
na
ko
lalabas.
students eh.
Students, kasi we gave away, we actually it's a promo for student, and you can actually win. You can do a blog contest or essay, write about 2 topics. One is why should students learn how to invest, and another is how can a student contribute to the national economy. So when you write the essay or a blog, and then you submit, nasa blog site ko yan lahat, they can join, they can actually win free tickets.
Okay.
Courtesy of Sunlight.
Meron tayo text-in question.
Bilis naman yan.
Kasi may nagpapatanong. Stock market, seryoso ba yan? Sabihin natin, bibili ako Galaxy S4. 30,000. Sabihin natin, linagay ko yan sa stock market today, magkano na yan in 3 years?
Ito na sabihin ko sa okay.
3 years.
If the stock market does well, your 30,000 can be double in 3 years. Kung the stock market does well, you buy an equity fund or you select the right stocks, it can be considering that the market continues to rally. Ibig sabihin, maganda naging performance sa economy, maganda naging performance stock.
Yeah.
Highly possible. Ito sasabihin ko sa inyo, with all due respect, I can guarantee in 3 years, Samsung, if you sell that S4, will be less than its half of its original price.
Correct.
Ito,
So, there's a big difference. Choose, siguradong kalahati price or pwedeng doble yung price.
Actually, one of the pitfalls of gadgets, the moment you take it out of the box,
Yeah.
nagde-depreciate.
Again,
Ang bilis
need-based pa rin,
mag-depreciate.
need-based. Kasi lahat, ako rin naman may telepono, no? By the way, courtesy of Carlo, I bought.
Oo, pero ang tagal na niyan,
And
di
still
ba?
have it. Same episode, pang ilang episode na natin ito pa nang kinikwento ko.
24 na yata
plus
to, 20.
tayo
A few episodes ago, I told them about the story about this phone.
And it's still the same.
phone.
Yes.
Cell phone. With a new case, kasi nasira ko na yung old case. So, yun yung nagiging pitfall sila about this. Pero syempre, need-based naman. Everybody needs a phone. You need the phone.
Yeah.
Pero, question is, do you really have to change? Do you really have to upgrade? Pwedeng, wag muna ngayon. Let your money grow, and then your money, get part of it, and then you buy a gadget that you want. Kasi ang investing naman, purpose yan eh. Ano ba yung purpose niyan? Kung mag-gastos naman tayo, importante rin naman yan. Napaka-plastiko naman, sabihin, wala akong gadget, wala akong laptop, wala akong, di ba?
Correct.
I need that. Pero, again, the question is, timing din. Timing of all these things.
Okay. So, thank you for that, very information. Grabe, parang, pwede ba itigil na natin itong kalokohan na to? Mag-stock market na lang tayo.
So, kayong dalawa,
Multi-million na yun.
napansin ko lang kayong dalawa, naging financially inquisitive lang kayo pag nag-guest ako. Wala na.
Oo nga, nakalimutan namin.
Pero pagkatapos na, no?
Nasisilaw ako sa bagong
Pag
talaga.
meron na namang bagong gadgets, ay, teka
Siguro
lang.
kailangan isang buong buwan ka mag-guest para mag-sink in, no? Anyway, so again, if you guys want to read more about Randall and his event, just go to
www.randalljohnson.com. Yung Randall ko double L. So, RANDELLTIONGSON.com.
Okay, palakpakan natin si Randall. Yay.
Thanks for coming here.
Okay, we'll have one. We'll go on a break, and after this, yung pinakinaabangan nyo na.
I'm sure, kasi ang dami na nag-text, tsaka...
Oo nga, ito na, ang dami ng comments. So, papakita na natin. Hindi, di yan. Ito muna. Bubuksan na natin yung unbox. Unbox pinapanood nyo.
Oo na, oo na.
Dito financial.
Dito on the money.
Dito on the money. Hindi naman namin kamukha si Edric Mendoza.
Medyo lang.
Medyo lang. Okay, so we'll go on commercial, and pagbalik namin, unbox Cherry Mobile na tayo. Boom!
Ann and Andy are out shopping for their postpaid plans.
I'm getting a bunch of bundles. Me too. I love this. I know, right?
Everything was fine until...
I'm paying more for the same?
The difference lies in smart postpaid plans with Flexi Bundles. Over 20 bundles available on any plan. This
Is postpaid made easy?
Greetings, Greetings everyone, and welcome to the Fiberspace, the future where the possibilities are endless. How is this, you say? Because the power of fiber optics makes anything and everything possible. And here to take us deeper into the warp speed power of this new technology is a man that truly understands the Fiberspace, Head of Technology Services Division of Smart, Mr. Tamayo.
Thank you, Luis. Yes, today we will be navigating the complex world of the newest broadband internet technology. That is fiber optic power.
With that, Mr. Tamayo, let's begin our tour through Fiberspace. So this fiber optic power we have been mentioning, can you give us an idea exactly what kind of technology this is?
Fiber is a literal piece of thin fiber optics, capable of transmitting data at the speed of light. This means you can connect millions of calls, send out billions of texts, and exchange trillions of bytes of data in a single second. It's like broadband internet technology on warp speed.
Wow. This is the exact light speed technology that creates endless possibilities for me on the internet. So sir, what gives Smart the advantage in fiber technology?
Well, Smart has 4 times more fiber network than any other network. We have 54,000 kilometers of next-gen fiber optics network set up all over the country. You can download, upload anything in a flash.
So every experience in action turns into just a flash with fiber power. So literally, all that data information is just zooming down a futuristic highway.
Imagine a broadband internet as one big 4-lane highway. Multiply that lanes by 4, and what do you get? That's Smart fiber technology. It's like an enormous 16-lane superhighway with only you driving. Imagine the possibilities. How fast you could go.
That's how insanely fast Smart fiber technology is.
Yes, this 4 times more fiber power is bigger than any other network. And because Smart has nationwide coverage, you can do everything in a flash, anywhere.
I can see it now, an online life without limits where I can send or receive trillions of pieces of data and information in just an instant, all made possible by a thin, tiny cord. It's mind-blowing. Thank you so much, Mr. Tamayo, for taking us through the ultra-modern and light-speed world of Fiberspace. I already see and feel next generation. There it is, the most innovative and advanced internet technology from Smart, fiber optics. Join us in experiencing this cutting-edge power. Join us in Fiberspace.
Okay, so ito na ang pinaka-inaabangan yung part. Ang dami nagko-comment.
Oo nga, sabi nga.
So, buksan na natin, no? So, teka, tabi nga natin to. So, ito yung package na nakuha namin
hindi pa natin binubuksan talaga yan. It's really just for you guys.
Kung makapapansin nyo, meron pa note dito. Basahin ko na lang, no? Sir Carlo, you are the first to see this baby. Cherry Mobile Philippines. So, diba?
Baby, nasa loob.
So, baby talaga yun. Umiiyak. So, buksan natin. And, para sa mga nagtatanong, ano ba ang pinakasusunod na telepono ng Cherry Mobile na lalabas sa Pilipinas? Drum roll. Okay. Ito na, ang Cherry...
Cherry Mobile Blaze
2. Okay, pa-zoom in nga. Yon. Diba? So ito ang susunod na telepono na ilalabas ng Cherry Mobile dito sa Pinas. Actually,
so
nabasa ito sa Thailand yan.
But it's not, it's not, when is it gonna be available though?
Wala pang sinasabi sa atin kung kailan. Hindi rin nila sinabi
wala pang price.
Okay.
Pero malamang June na to kasi diba yung 2.0, kumbaga sinasabi nila is for June release. So you can expect this already for June. So again, ito yung box, titingnan natin, bagong-bago pa yan. The usual Cherry Mobile box na color blue, may product photo sa harap. Yung Android na yan, hindi yan transparent, green talaga yan. Ngayon dito, nakalagay talaga linagay na nila quad-core. Diba?
Okay.
So talagang pinagmamalaki nila na quad-core siya. Dito sa gilid, makikita natin yung mga, kumbaga, yung namamayagpag na features. Tagalog na Tagalog ako ngayon,
Nax.
No?
Agaw pansin.
Thailand,
no?
Actually, may points si Alora.
Tingnan mo, Thailand.
This is actually Thai.
Yes.
This is Thai. So malamang galing pa talaga tong Thailand. Tong box na to,
sa
fresh.
bagong-bago pa.
Diba? So buksan natin. Pero siguro habang inaayos ko to, baka pwedeng daanan natin yung... Pinadalan kami ng pinadalan din kami ng spec sheet. So ito, si Monch magbabasa. So, Monch, ano ba yung makikita natin dito?
So, may dual SIM slot. Merong, it runs Android Jelly Bean 4.2. Parang Mega HD
4.2 na.
4.2 na.
4.2.
Yeah, 4.2.
Okay.
And then, there's a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor na MediaTek. MTS, ano yan? 6589 na chipset. And then, PowerVR SGX 544 na GPU. Ang screen niya is
magandang GPU.
Yeah, mabilis.
Mabilis yun.
Very perfect for gaming, di ba? Hindi siya yung usual mababang Adreno na
yung low-end na Adreno 203, di ba?
Hindi kasi nagugulat ako minsan some quad-core phones still use a low-end Adreno GPU.
Yes. Oo.
Yung kinakalabasan nun.
So ito, tama lang yung...
May bottleneck eh.
Combination nila. Yeah.
Tapos yung screen niya is 5.7 inches.
Siguro pwede ko na buksan, no? Dahil na-mention mo yung screen. So
it's
buksan na natin.
When you think about yung blades...
Ang tagal lang pagbukas. Sorry. Kailangan ang haba. Ano yung sasabi mo,
Yung unang blades, di ba, is 4.7 inches. And this one is 5.7.
5.7 and
so
HD.
Oh, yeah.
720p yan. So, 5-point capacitive screen. Meron siyang 4 gig of internal storage at 1 gig of RAM. And then may micro SD slot, of course. May Wi-Fi, 3G, GPS, Bluetooth. And meron siyang 12 megapixel rear camera. BSI. Tapos
sa backside illumination.
And then the front has a 3 megapixel BSI camera rin.
For better light capture. Yan, dito harap.
Yung baterya niya is 2,500 mAh.
Malaki. Oo.
Tsaka manipis siya for a 5.7 inch phone.
Yung battery is malaki.
9.9 millimeters based dun sa ating
spec sheet. So 9.9 lang to kanipis, no? Actually, yung maganda pag nininipisan mo tsaka ginagaanan mo yung mga phablets eh. It's more manageable to use with one hand, no? Ngayon kung titingnan natin yung design, yung glass ba niya Dragon
Walang
Trail?
indication.
Walang sinabi kung anong...
Yung box, wala ring indication. So,
wala nakalagay, no?
Nothing eh.
So siguro kailangan talaga kuha na ng screen protector to. Okay?
Kasi yung Omega HD2, meron siyang nakasulat ng Dragon Trail sa
So maybe
sa
it's
box,
not? Kasi walang nakalagay eh.
Okay, so kung titignan natin siya, again, it has a matte black finish na smooth sa likod. Very nice to hold. Yung logo ng Blaze is nandito. Kasama yung 2.0.
This one, oh. Ano yan?
May plastic cover.
Yung branding niya parang
may plastic cover eh.
So it's different from their other eh. It's not.
It's not the same. But,
it's not the usual, no?
Baka engineering unit pa to, hindi pa tayo sure, no? Kasi pinadala lang naman sa atin.
Bagong-bago eh.
Ngayon, pagdating dito sa sides, makikita niyo, ano ba to? Chrome na black. Hindi siya yung usual chrome mo na silver. Diba? So siguro para mas mukha siyang malandi. Diba? So,
kailangan malandi.
Oo naman. Yun yung nice word to use. Tapos meron dito yung micro USB port for charging and data transfer.
And then here's the audio.
The headphone jack.
Headphone jack,
volume rocker is here. On the side, kasama niya ang, ano ba to? Power lock, no?
Power lock.
Ngayon, buksan nga natin to. Ang gilid.
Ito yung sa sounds.
Saan? Ay, speakers.
Yeah.
Dahil wala akong kuko, Alora, ikaw magbukas.
Kailangan
wala pa yata baterya.
Ayan, madali.
Sige, buksan mo. Pakita mo lilikod.
So, ito yung likod niya.
Wow.
Wala pa siya meron.
Ngayon, para maintindihan nyo gano'ng kalaki ang 2,500 mAh battery. Tada! Ang laki ng baterya niya. My gosh. Hindi siya joke. Okay. Lagay
so at least, diba? It would really last you a day or...
Dual SIM, no? Dual SIM yun.
Dual
SIM,
yes,
2. Tapos dito yung micro SD. So, dalawang SIM, pwede mo lagay dyan. Of course, ang ilalagay natin dyan, Smart tsaka Sun.
Smart Talk and Text.
Oo, pwede din, di ba?
Talk and Text or Sun.
Pwede.
Ganang permutation lang.
Oo, pwede. Smart tsaka Smart, di ba?
Pwede.
Isang personal.
Oo, kasi ano pa ba nang kinanda ng magandang telepono kung hindi maganda network, di ba? So, anyway, talaga hard sell eh. Okay, pasok natin yung baterya. Sana may charge to. Nasaan na yung back cover? Kabit natin.
Protruding pa rin ba yun?
Yung camera,
Oo, protruding pa rin.
Mahirap to medyo mahirap. Diba? Guys, dapat mag-ingat kayo pag napansin pala ninyo na yung camera sensor nyo medyo paharap Pag ganyan, kailangan either ilapag nyo na may nakapatong na soft, kinari panyo, tela,
or pag gano'n na
or pag ganito.
Yeah,
so kung may screen protector kayo, pwede nyo naman ilagay ng pagganyan.
Yes.
Yung isang telepono papakita namin mamaya, yung Scribe HE, napakita mo na before eh.
Yes.
Yun talaga sobrang boom. 'Di ba? Parang ilong na nakaganon sa telepono eh. Okay? Ay teka, di na natin na on. So i-on natin siya.
I wonder kung ganun pa rin yung sound.
Ganun pa rin.
Kasi yung unique from Thailand eh. Mahalay natin.
Yan na. Yan ang Blaze. By the way, if you're
Pero
wondering
tingnan mo, ano lang siya, fingerprint.
may screen protector siya na plastic.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
see? Ganun
Yung
Saka ang pansin ko dun sa hardware niya, hindi siya consistent. Yung back cover at least, hindi siya consistent with the whole plastic shiny na
kinasanayan natin sa Cherry
nakasanayan
Mobile.
natin.
So baka may bagong
Budget.
design change sila no?
Oo.
Which is actually welcome. So again, yan na, naka-on na. Buksan natin. Yun. O, di ba?
Yun.
And then,
And then what? Actually, mabilis naman eh, oh. Di ba?
Yeah.
can we try, sa bagay, magda-download pa tayo.
Oo, dalawa
dyan.
Wala siyang games eh. And ito, habang binibigyan ng nila Ison tsaka nila Monch ng kanilang parang first impressions.
Let's download na.
Mag-download ka na. Alam mo ba yung password natin?
Password? I forgot. Sorry.
Alam ni Ison. Sige, si Ison muna
sige, ikaw na lang.
Download mo yung... pero ipapasok pa niya yung Google. Matagal pa yan.
Ito yung something na surprising.
Ano yan?
Yung ano niya, navigation buttons niya, kung mapansin nyo, nandito sa baba. So, software siya. Parang yung sa Scribe HD.
Yeah.
Pero may home button pa rin.
May home button siya, pero wala yung side buttons niya na back and menu
So,
usually.
ito lang.
So, meron ka ditong multitasking button since wala pa tayong na-open apps. Ayan. Ayan multitasking button, back sa home yung nandito.
Pero besides the home, may isa pang home button.
Yeah.
Dalawa
yung home buttons ngayon. Yeah.
So, dapat wala na.
Dapat tinanggal na nila yan.
Sa gitna.
Or dapat naging ano na to, capacitive talaga.
Oo. Ang kinagandaan kasi nito, if for example, auto-flip nyo yung, yung display, sasabay yung navigation buttons niya.
Ayan, naka-auto.
Kasi 4.2 siya.
Yan So, sasabay siya dun sa gilid.
Ulitin mo nga, nakatayo. Pakita mo yung nakatayo. Kasi baba mo siya. Sa 4.2 lang ba yan? Wala ba yan sa 4.1?
Yes.
Makikita mo sa Nexus 4, una na yung
Is it
pinakita
4.2.2 or 4.2.1?
It's
Basta pag-start ng 4.2, ganun. Dalawa na yung settings.
Settings, oo.
Then yung sa home screen nga, sumasama na.
Binitin tayo ng Cherry Mobile, di sinabi magkano eh.
Wala pa.
4.2.1 yung version niya na.
We can guess.
Ang guess ko dito, 9999.
Kasi yung
1,000 above.
Kasi yung HD 2.0 is at 8,999.
Oo. And yung advantage nito, obviously, it has a bigger screen, it has a bigger battery, and yung 3 megapixel yung front camera.
So, mas okay yung selfies.
Yeah. Pero ang drawback, baka walang...
Yung processor ba? Same ba sila?
Yeah, same.
Ah,
MediaTek na 6589
Bagay ito para sa mga taong mahilig manood ng mga TV series, maglaro ng games.
5.7. Konti na lang, ano na.
Oo.
Yung Samsung Galaxy Mega, di ba may 5.8 sila?
5.8 tsaka 6.3.
6.3.
So, yung sa smaller version ng
Pero yung mga dual core yun, di ba?
Yes.
It's dual core, yes.
Magkano presyo nun? May lumabas na ba?
18,990. The 5.8-inch is 18,990 and the 6.3 is 23,990.
Well, that's potentially half the price of that.
Yeah.
Diba? So if you're in the market for a really affordable phablet,
And it's quad-core.
quad-core
Yeah.
pa.
But of course, we have to check it first. Yung ano.
By the way, tingnan muna natin kung ano pa yung laman sa box. Dahil meron pa siya. So, tingnan natin. Nandito ang usual Cherry Mobile charger natin.
Yeah.
So, buksan natin. Talaga yung charger pala nila branded ng Cherry Mobile, ano?
Oo.
Talagang ganun. Ayop, feeling,
maganda yung design.
feeling ano?
Ganyang may, parang Apple.
Feeling Apple feeling Apple yung charger. Oh, may tunog pa. Diba? So, ulitin natin. There's a satisfying sound to it. So again, ito yung charger nakasama sa box.
Satisfying sound talaga.
May kasama siyang, ano pa yung here? The usual cable na nakikita natin. Just leave it na lang para kunin ko na lang. This is the usual USB, micro USB cable. Ayan siya. Tapos of course, meron kasamang earphones na may kasamang microphone. Tsaka, ano pa ba nandito? Pero I've never been a fan kasi of stock earphones eh. So, palagi ko reko sa mga tao, bumili sila ng...
you buy na lang another one.
may mura na, I don't know if you consider it cheap, but there's a really nice brand, Cloud Pop. Sold here at Beyond the Box, sells for $950.
We're
really
here
good.
live pala from One Rockwell.
Beyond the Box.
Yeah, Beyond the Box.
So it's a really good pair of earphones, you might want to check it out. But anyway, pati yung earphones pala nila branded, no? May nakalagay Cherry Mobile.
Sabi, Saan?
Cherry
Oo nga,
Mobile.
no?
So talagang super generic, di ba? Andito rin ang user manual. Titingnan natin. Nandiyan lahat ng info na kailangan ninyo. And of course, ito napaka-importante nito, no? Dahil alam naman natin, pagdating sa mga local brands, critical ang reliability at durability.
Yes.
Kasama dito ang warranty card. Ngayon yung warranty, sa pagkakalam ko, you should be able to keep dapat yung resibo mo plus this.
This one, oo.
So,
diba, akala ko meron silang
warranty. Hindi ko pa natatry yun eh. So siguro pag natry natin yung pwede natin discuss. Pero ito, palagi nyo tatandaan, pag bibili kayo ng mga local branded phones, make the most of the fact that they offer service warranties. Diba? So siguraduhin natin na itatago natin yung resibo, itatago natin to. Huwag kayong aalis doon nang hindi kayo binibigyan ito. Kasi importante talaga yun eh.
And also, if you think that something is wrong with the device, trust your instincts.
When in doubt.
Yeah, when in doubt. If you can't find the same problem dun sa forum, pag nagbabasa kayo ng forum or if you ask online.
Always check forums also. So, ang dami dong makikita niyo kung ano yung problema.
Actually, may mga Facebook groups eh.
Yeah.
Even na Facebook group.
Talagang community-based yung nangyayari ngayon.
Para daw merong nagsabi dito, para daw Nexus 4, merong nagsabi na kamukha daw ng Scribe HD, and one also said that it looks like an S4. Parang hindi siya mukhang
Actually, hindi naman mukhang S4.
Hindi siya mukhang S4.
Itabi nyo nga sa S4, may S4 tayo dito, di ba?
It's a squarish S4 actually.
Ayan o. Hindi pa zoom in nga natin dyan.
So it's not. It's...
Hindi naman. Oh, laki.
Laki talaga. Mukhang maliit yung S4 eh.
Ang laki na Cherry Mobile.
Hi, I'm a S4. And I'm a Cherry Mobile.
I'm Cherry Mobile. Oh, di ba? Laki pala oh. But anyway,
5-inch yan by the way. Nagmumukhang maliit eh. Pero 5-inch ang S4. So,
grabe.
Ganun kalayo.
Okay, so again, that's the Cherry Mobile Blaze.
Meron bang FM radio daw?
Wait. Meron ba?
Si McCoy.
Meron.
Oh, McCoy, pwede ka nang makinig sa 89.9. Diba? Ngayon si Eason will actually do some tests and download some apps. So, ang gagawin natin, throughout the show, pwede natin balik-balikan. Ganun na lang gawin natin. So,
kasi matagal eh, mag-download pa ng apps.
So, again, Eason is right now playing around with the phone, downloading some apps. We'll do a live benchmark test. So, you guys have a feel for how powerful it is. Pero ako, tansya ko mga nasa 12.5 yan to 3.
Actually, I'm running Antutu right now. Pero mamaya,
ganun yung yung sa Galaxy, Galaxy Mega, it's 13,247. Mga ganun nakuha namin.
So again, we'll do some more tests. We'll get back in a bit. For now, we'll jump to our next device, which is actually very, very... well, mamaya na yan. Kasi nabanggit na natin yung isa eh. Nasaan na ba isa?
Okay, mamaya.
Nabanggit na natin yung isa. This one.
Kasi ang dami eh.
Okay, so we'll play a video. We'll now take a closer look at the Alcatel Scribe HD. Okay. So, ito na ang...
the Alcatel.
Dahil pinag-usapan natin, so let's quickly go over it. Actually, syempre green yung background. So, lumulusot.
Kita ngayon,
Teka, palitan ko lang quickly para...
Another
paano ba to? Settings. Palitan na natin yung wallpaper
What green?
Wallpaper gawin natin. Wallpaper gallery.
White.
Wait lang, guys.
Ito, dito tayo sa flowers.
Yan.
Yan, flowers.
Alright.
Flowers are good. Okay, so this is the Alcatel One Touch Scribe HD. So it's a 5-inch phone, phablet. Of course, makita niyo yung 5 inches na display. It also runs a quad-core processor.
Yeah, same model.
It's the same processor.
6589.
It has 1 gig RAM. It runs the late Android 4.2.1 din. It has an 8 megapixel camera at the back. It has, I think, 2 megapixel, if I'm not mistaken, camera at the front. And it, like what I said earlier, it sports already the latest, well, the latest kasi 4.2.2 pala yung latest. But you can say na medyo latest.
It's up to date pa naman.
Diba? Ngayon, kung mapapansin ninyo, ito yung sinabi namin ni Alora, no? Kung titignan nyo dito yung likod, yan o, yung camera, parang may ilong talaga siya naka...
Yeah, protruding talaga, halatang halata.
Oo. Ay, alam nyo, may napansin ako.
Ano? Bakit? Pareho
Oo nga.
Ay, ilapit nyo nga yan.
Parang pareho sila ng
Parang pareho yung likod, no?
Pareha.
Oo nga, no?
Di ba?
Kasi
pati yung texture,
Oo.
Ay, texture is the same, huh?
It's pareho silang matte finish na black.
Yep.
Panalo
Same na same.
Pareho yung feel. Pareho pa yung pagka-place. So, one touch sa gitna.
Yeah.
Camera sa taas.
Pero dito ba? Kanisip. Ay, yung sa kabila. Ayun.
Ayan, no?
Oo nga.
Magkapatid. Anyway, mamaya na to.
The other one is bigger lang. This one is, well, of course, small.
Okay, so again, this has meron na to
2500 milliampere hour battery.
So it's the same as the
Same battery.
Same battery.
Same
It's
size
2500.
Okay.
But take note, mas maliit yung size niya.
Yeah,
So
and
it
it's
should
slimmer as well.
Unibody
Yeah, it
yung
should,
design
ano.
niya.
Oh, so hindi mo naalis yung likod. But this is also dual SIM, micro SIM yan. Dito sa gilid yung ports. Yung micro SD card is over here. Volume rockers over there. Medyo gusto ko yung design niya na medyo patulis yung dulo.
I actually like the design of that one.
Yung buong lineup
Okay,
nila actually
Scribe
yung ganda
HD.
ng design.
Actually, sa buong lineup na linabas na sa One Touch, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko.
Diba?
Yan sa
ito
kayo,
yung
Ultra.
Yung Ultra.
Hindi, binabandera
one
nila
is
yung Ultra
really-
Idol, pero ito
Yeah, but
talaga
this one is
sulit.
really the best for me. Yung sa
That's
Alcatel.
really the value for money phone.
This sells for just 13,490
Cheaper
13,490.
than
Yeah.
the Idol.
Cheaper than the Ultra, but more expensive than the Blaze
Cherry Mobile
2.0.
Blaze
Ngayon, yung meron nito na kasama, meron siyang kasamang magnetic na flip cover. So yan kakapit mo lang, pwede mo na isara. Diba? So this is already included in the box. Ang galing, no? Sinasama na lang nila yung mga ganito. May kasama din siyang capacitive stylus. So yan, dikit natin ulit.
Wow, magnetic.
May magnetic.
Diba? So ang idea dito, since yung camera lagi nakaprotrude sa likod, pwede nyo ilapag ng ganon. Diba? Supposed to nakaganyan, baka maggasgas yung lente ng camera.
It's easier. At least now you have a cover.
Oo, may felt finish shop. So kung gusto nyo linisin, ganyan. Ganun ba talaga yan? Pwede yung ganyan eh. Diba? So it's very thin. Ako personally, if you ask me, this is the best offering of Alcatel, and I think that's one of the reasons why ito yung gusto namin i-feature sa show. It's one of really the best offerings that they have. So if you're thinking of getting a phone from Alcatel, para sa amin, ito na yung kumbaga go-to choice natin.
Actually, yung medyo... Baka magtaka sila, bakit medyo mas mahal siya, mas maliit yung screen. Yung advantage yan, that's one using Dragon Tail glass as well. Then yung screen niya is one glass solution. Yes. Then yung
one glass
IPS
solution.
and IPS yung screen niya.
Okay, so again, this is the Alcatel One Touch
Scribe HD.
Scribe HD. Yung full review, for in the interest of time, is on unbox.ph. Just check it out. We did all the benchmark tests, all the gaming, everything, all the details you need to know about it is on the site. So, and pag nag-up ulit yung Tech Local, dahil di pa rin up. So again, this is the Scribe HD. Okay, so balik tayo sa sa ating guinea pig phone.
Right now, tumatakbo yung quadrant.
Nagiging guinea pig pa siya. Pero
Kasi
yung yung
chinichat
Antutu
pa.
na score niya, nagpakita ng kanina, kita na namin, it's 12,700
At
something.
12,925.
12 plus.
Ayun,
So it's almost 13.
12,900.
Not bad, Tama, actually, tama yung sabi ko, 12.52. Ngayon, para sa mga hindi nakakaintindi kung ano ibig sabihin ng benchmark tests, yung mga ganyang tests, run na mga reviewers like us to be able to figure out kung gaano ba kaganda yung phone na to compared to other phones.
Yes.
So, ang ginagawa ng test na to, chine-check niya yung memory, yung graphics, tapos linalagyan niya ng number.
Yeah.
Tapos nagkakaroon ng overall score.
Pag mas mataas yung score, mas maganda,
Mas
yung
maganda.
device.
So, for example, this phone, yung Cherry Mobile Blaze 2.0 has an Antutu benchmark score of 12,925.
925. And yung quadrant
Yung quadrant niya is
3,975.
Okay, so malamang siguro iniisip nila, ano ibig sabihin ng mga numbers na yan?
Yes.
So, pwede mo yung tingnan gamit yung bar chart kung ano yung mga ibang teleponong malapit sa kanya.
So, pangatlo siya dito.
So,
after the Transformer Prime, Asus.
Talagang, diba? Pero it's above the Atrix 4G, the Galaxy Tab,
10.1,
Galaxy Nexus, the Optimus 2X, the HTC Desire. So it's pretty competitive.
Competitive na yung
diba? Ngayon, ako I've used phones with benchmarks na usually nasa 12.5 to 13. Pretty much lahat ng kailangan mo.
Same naman. Oo.
Well-suited ka na para sa...
Oo, gaming, social networking, multitasking, browsing,
the usual things
almost everything naman.
Halos lahat ng kailangan ninyo, basta nandun ka na, pasok ka na. Diba? So again, yan yung score. Pwede natin i-zoom in. 12,935. Not bad.
Not bad. Saan siya namamayag?
Konti na lang.
Also, if you'd notice, yung screen niya, medyo siya bluish, hindi siya IPS. So,
kasi TFT?
Yun yung sinasabi natin kanina na ang Alcatel Scribe HD is IPS and this one is not.
One glass solution pa isa.
May nagpapabate, batiin lang natin. Mag-hi kami kay Twitter user Angel Reality. So hi! Thank you for tuning in.
Meron din nagpapabate dati. I forgot.
Naku.
Hindi ako. Sabi ko to remind me. Anyhow, so there.
May mga nagko-comment, basahin lang natin, no? Para din siguro mag-guide tayo kung ano pa sabihin natin. Ano ba yung mga nakalagay dito? Ang bilis ng comments, hindi ko mabasa. Teka, wait lang guys, relax.
Before that, siguro pag-usapan natin, in pinakamalapit na phone to the Cherry Mobile Blaze 2.0 is the Cherry Mobile Omega HD. So maybe, what would you choose between this and the Omega HD na nasa bag ko pala, hindi ko pala dala. Nandiyan yung bag ko
Sana mamaya na lang. Pagka after the ayun na yan.
Actually, yung pinaka-comment ng mga tao, bakit dalawa yung buttons?
yung capacitive and the
yung physical
button.
Ang sagot ko dyan, maybe they were thinking na this is a hardware design na meron na sila dati and nagkataon na it's Android 4.2 so and ganito na yung ginagamit na interface. So hindi na pagplanuhan talaga na ito yung gagamitin na hardware para sa Android 4.2. Not to say na Android 4.2, lahat ng 4.2 is ganito yung interface, pero in this case, ganun yung nangyari sa tingin ko.
Okay, bati lang sandali, Marion XD, hello. Gusto daw nila makita yung gusto daw nila makita yung SMS UI.
Ayun.
SMS.
It's the usual, di ba?
The usual that you find
sa Here. Pwede mo pa-zoom in.
Omega HD ganun rin.
Here.
Okay, nga ayun, may Omega HD dito si Monch. Baka pwede natin ipagtabi sa isa't isa.
Wait lang, i-bright ko lang yung display para makita na lang maayos. Ayan.
Yan. There.
So this is the Omega HD, this is the Blaze 2.0. Omega HD 2.0 pala.
This is
Puro 2.0 This has a 5-inch display. This one has a 5.7 inch.
So ito parang parang yung sa Alcatel Scribe HD, right?
Well, kung trip nyo mas maliit na telepono, na halos same specs, you can go with the Omega HD 2.0. Ngayon kung gusto nyo talaga phablet, andito na yung Blaze 2.0. Kailangan ko lang basahin itong mga ibang comments, no? So sabi ni One Savior 09, redundant daw yung dalawa. Talagang paulit-ulit niya pinipost. Redundant. So, literally.
Tinutukan niya redundant.
Oo, pero okay yung sagot ni okay yung sagot ni... Ay, shucks, nasa na yun? Basta may nag-comment Nawala na May nag-comment kanina. Nasabi niya, 2 is better than 1.
Sa bagay, may choice ka And of course, you can unlock the device using this button. Which you can't do, obviously, with the on-screen button.
Diba? Redundant.
Meron dito, antayin daw niya yung burst 2.
Pag price niyan 10K, Scribe HD na lang. Scribe HD. So nagkaka-debate niya the Scribe HD.
Sayang daw yung screen space. Actually, because of the, what do you call this? This one.
Para sa akin hindi. Kasi malaki na siya to begin with And pag nanonood ka naman ng movies or naglalaro ka ng games, mawawala itong nasa baba.
Nagiging buong screen yan.
Nagiging buo to
USB on the go daw ba?
Gumagana yung OTG? Gumagana ba yung OTG?
That's nice.
Yun.
May dala si ano.
Prepared si Isa, may dalang OTG na.
Buti na lang. Ano yung kulay white? Again, that's the Cherry Mobile Omega HD 2.
Kung may power, wala.
Hindi na detect eh.
Hindi gumagana USB on the go. Pero we'll verify with...
we'll still double check.
We'll verify with Cherry
Kasi
Mobile.
kakalagay lang naman.
Anong kulay? White na phone.
Not really.
Mabilis yun eh.
None.
Grabe, ang gulo ng ano? Ang gulo
Ang bilis ng yung messages.
Naloloko na ako, hindi ko na alam ano na yung babasahin ko. Tapos lahat all caps pa. But anyway, we don't know talaga guys if the final unit will have 2 screen buttons. So we'll call our contacts from Cherry Mobile and ask and get back to you on that one. So again, this is the Cherry Mobile Blaze 2.0. Sorry, wala to HDMI. Sinasagot ko lang yung mga ibang tanong. Wala, di pa namin alam yung presyo, but ang guesstimate namin is mga 9,999. Again, that's just a guess. It's not the official price.
Yeah, so just wait for the official statement of
and it should be coming out this June.
Yep.
Most probably. So this
usually ganun sila eh. Pagka may naririnig tayong mga ganito na rumors or something, just a few weeks, andyan na kaagad eh. So yeah, basically, I think we'll see this in June.
May nagtanong sa akin, kaya bibiling ko ba daw yan, if I had the choice. Well ako, in all honesty, ang dami ko ng telepono eh. So, mahirap magsabi yan yung bibiling ko. But, it offers good value naman for money kung naghahanap ako ng phablet na mura. It's just 9,999. Take note, yung Samsung dati na Wi-Fi 5-inch, magkano yun? Na gingerbread.
Yung Y.
Diba? Nasa 8,000 yata.
May tablet sila dati.
May phablet sila. Hindi phablet. Ano lang?
Hindi yung Wi-Fi. 4.3.
Pero nagka 5-inch. May 5-inch din yun. Samsung Wi-Fi 5-inch. Ganyang presyo.
Wow.
Ang dami.
How about this or the Samsung Grand, which is around
12,800 sa Widget City.
12,700 or this na 9,000. Well, yun yung ano natin.
Mahirap mag-decide kasi parang kung ako tatanungin mo, sometimes kasi sisipa din ng after sales eh. Pero then again, Samsung din naman, hindi naman ganun ka... May service center sila, but medyo tumatagal minsan yung pila eh. Siguro preference na lang talaga sa brand. Ako personally, if I was on a tight budget, I'd go for this. And kung maluwag, I'll go for the Grand. Diba? Yung maganda rin sa Grand, it's available on postpaid plans. Diba? I'm not sure if this will be available on postpaid plans. Sabihin natin, nagtitipid ka talaga. Speaking of which, Sun has a postpaid plan, 1799. Meron ka ng Galaxy Grand na phablet. Meron ka pang Note 8.
Note 8. Yes.
Wow. Diba? So malaking bagay din yung naka-postpaid. Siguro that's one thing Cherry Mobile can take a look into. No? Baka they can partner with the local telcos.
They're offering meron sila. Alam ko. Ito lang alam ko ng device eh.
Okay, ano pa ba yung mga tanong? Freshman, interpolated lang. Gaano kabigat yung phone? Kano daw kabigat?
Pagkanayin natin.
Yung dalawa.
Parang mas mabigat to. Pero tingin ko dahil sa battery kasi 2,500 yung battery nito eh. Pero
this one is
pero slightly lang. Mas mabigat siya sa Omega 2.0. Slightly.
So ano pa ba? Actually may oras, meron pa dapat kami mga papakita eh.
Wala na ba?
Pero ilang minutes na lang tayo?
As a commercial.
5 minutes. May one more commercial.
One more commercial.
Tapos pagbalik namin, may discuss pa kami quickly.
Greetings everyone, and welcome to the Fiberspace, the future where the possibilities are endless. How is this, you say? Because the power of fiber optics makes anything and everything possible. And here to take us deeper into the warp speed power of this new technology is a man that truly understands the Fiberspace, Head of Technology Services Division of Smart, Mr. Tamayo.
Thank you, Luis. Yes, today we will be navigating the complex world of the newest broadband internet technology. That is fiber optic power.
With that, Mr. Tamayo, let's begin our tour through Fiberspace. So this fiber optic power we have been mentioning, can you give us an idea exactly what kind of technology this is?
Fiber is a literal piece of thin fiber optics, capable of transmitting data at the speed of light. This means you can connect millions of calls, send out billions of texts, and exchange trillions of bytes of data in a single second. It's like broadband internet technology on warp speed.
Wow. This is the exact light speed technology that creates endless possibilities for me on the internet. So sir, What gives Smart the advantage in fiber technology?
Well, Smart has 4 times more fiber network than any other network. We have 54,000 kilometers of next-gen fiber optics network set up all over the country. You can download, upload anything in a flash.
So every experience in action turns into just a flash with fiber power. It's literally all that data information is just zooming down a futuristic highway.
Imagine a broadband internet as one big 4-lane highway. Multiply that lanes by 4, and what do you get? That's Smart fiber technology. It's like an enormous 16-lane superhighway with only you driving. Imagine the possibilities. How fast you could go.
That's how insanely fast Smart fiber technology is.
Yes, this 4 times more fiber power is bigger than any other network. And because Smart has nationwide coverage, you can do everything in a flash, anywhere.
I can see it now, an online life without limits where I can send or receive trillions of pieces of data and information in just an instant, all made possible by a thin, tiny cord. It's mind-blowing. Thank you so much, Mr. Tamayo, for taking us through the ultra-modern and light-speed world of cyberspace. I already see and feel next generation. There it is, the most innovative and advanced internet technology from Smart, fiber optics. Join us in experiencing this cutting-edge power. Join us in cyberspace.
Hi! Hindi ko nalabutan, may kausap ako sa telepono. So,
Ang bilis, actually.
parang, hi. Ang lalim pa ng boses eh. Parang, hi. Di ba? Okay, game. So, isara lang natin yung Cherry Mobile discussion, no? Siguro may mga tanong pa. Basahin lang natin yung iba. Oo, nawawala yung tech local.
Oo, mamaya na. Mamaya na. Teka lang.
Mag-up ulit yung site na yun. Abangan nyo lang. Sample photos
Busy lang.
daw. Sample photos. Antay lang kayo. We'll review this in the next week. We'll take a lot of pictures. Siguro next week we can have another session. Pakita natin yung pictures, no? Na
The
gamit
ones
yan.
taken by...
Oo. Okay, so to wrap things up, again, this is the Cherry Mobile Blaze 2.0.
Tapos na.
Wala tayong oras eh.
Grabe, ang bilis. Okay, we have a lot of gadgets here pa naman sana.
Oo,
So,
pero-
next week na lang.
May mga nag-inang natutuwa dun sa ano. Pero mapakita daw muna yan. So,
Mabilisan lang.
Asus.
Ison, ikaw na mag-explain.
Ito to,
Pwede ba
galing sa
natin-
Taiwan.
Pwede ba natin i-zoom in kay
Actually,
Ison?
this was the product of Asus last year.
Last year pa yan?
Last year pa to. So, it's the
okay.
world's first dual screen notebook. I'm sorry. So, may screen sa harap. It's like a regular notebook. Then, syempre, may screen sa likod.
Hindi mo matatago yung ginagawa mo sa screen.
Pwede naman. Pwede mong patayin yung sa likod. Well, what's the concept about it is kung nakaharap ako sa'yo, Carlo, I can do my PowerPoint. Harapan tayo. In a better way.
Yes.
Then, pag sinara ko siya, it's immediately a tablet. Wala kang problem.
Saka pwede tayo manood ng sabay ng video nang hindi tayo nagagawa ng space sa harap.
By the way, Game of Thrones episode 10 is now out.
Spoiler!
Spoiler!
Kaka-download mo lang eh.
O kanina pa, using Smart LTE na sobrang bilis. Diba? Download ko ka.
Spoiler alert, namatay si Rom.
Last week pa yun.
Last week. Hindi pa ako
Diba?
But
Dalawa pala
anyways,
kayo.
ano to? It's a ultrabook convertible yung tawag sa concept no. It's
Ultrabook
a 2-in-1
specs.
device. So, meaning, dapat it must be a notebook and tablet. So, kung sa ibang brand, you have to flip, you have to twist. This one, just close the lid. Dual screen na siya.
Okay. Magkano benta dyan?
85,995.
Yun, 85,995.
Teka lang, alis na
It's
muna ako.
already in the highest end specs, Core i7 of course, 256 na SSD, 4 gigs of RAM. Pero magkakaroon pa naman ng marami pang concept ang Asus.
Anong battery life ng device? Sorry.
Up to, kung dalawang screen, up to 5 hours. Kung isang screen lang, 7 hours.
Wow, 7 hours for an ultrabook.
Yung comment ng mga tao, 85K? Aray.
Oo nga, no?
Ayan, nakikita
Ay, may kasama stylus?
Real time eh. Yes.
May kasama stylus yan.
Kasama siyang stylus. for-
Digitizer yan.
Pero ano siya, yung battery powered.
Okay.
Nice.
Kasama pa
May
yan.
may slot siya na pwede mong i-slide in, wala.
Dun sa leather sleeve. Sa sleeve niya sa loob.
So kasama
So
na yung
ito
sleeve sa
kasama na.
ano?
So may kasama siyang sleeve. Ay, sorry. Yeah.
But not mismo sa product.
What? So pag binaba, then of course, pwede mo ipasok yung tablet sa loob.
Ay,
Then mukha siyang envelope.
kaloka. Oo.
Ganda.
Muna pakita sa Snatcher.
Oo, pag nakita nila yan. Okay, so again, that's 80. Kung walang stylus, 40K na lang
So
daw.
Half price!
Wala na stylus mo!
depreciation value.
Ayos yung hirit mo, freshman 1020. Okay, so to end, sorry, medyo bitin tayo sa oras. Tapos na tayo, just a quick recap. We showed you the Cherry Mobile Blaze 2.0. Dinaanan natin saglit yung...
So first time here on the show.
Oh, first time.
First the first.
Eksklusibo. Tapos pinakita natin yung Asus, ano yan?
Taichi.
Na dual screen, harap tsaka likod. Kinompare natin pala yung Blaze din to some phones, including
Mega
HD 2.0
and the Alcatel
Scribe HD. Walang 2, HD lang.
Lahat kasi may tune eh.
Oh, bitin daw sila. Nakinikilig ako, nabibitin sila. O, diba? Nakaka-touch naman kayo. Raffle, extend. Wala kami paparaffle ngayon. Pagpasensya na. So, to end, okay na tayo, no? Thanks. Oh, by the way, ulitin natin. Randall's icon. Randall Chongson's icon. June 22 at SMX Mall of Asia. For more information on how you can buy tickets or more event details, just go to randallchongson.com.
That's a double L na Randall.
Dapat alam mo once a month or once every 2 months, meron tayong Ask Randall. Diba? Pwede tayong kumuha ng questions from the users. Sabihin natin, malaki utang ko, paano gagawin ko.
Tatakas na ba ng bansa?
Pwede, diba? Pwede natin gawin. Kung okay sa'yo, yun ay CSR natin. Diba? Parang dahil, kino-convince natin sila gumastos. Meron tayong isang
kayo mag-save.
Kailangan nila tumawag sa hotline.
Dapat manalo na tayo sa Golden Dove Awards niyan, ha? Kami lang ang tech show na may CSR.
Also, yung VIP seats.
At buy one take one.
For unboxed viewers.
Ay, alam niyo ba na finalist tayo?
Saan?
Sa isang social media awards. Wag na.
Alam ko na.
Hindi pa na naiisip.
Sige, thank you everybody. Pag lumabas kami dun sa social media awards yan, hindi namin pwede i-promote. So kayo na lang bahala mag-vote para sa amin. Thank you very much. Peace.
Bye guys!